What's good?
Social cam.
Talking to Siri?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Talking to Siri?
It's a Dale life in the back.
Man,
big
you're
fella.
talking to Siri.
He's a big boy. That motherfucker. Oh, he's mean.
That's a big fella.
Ah, that's like a Dale 42-inch. That's Justin Whelan in the back with the underscore in the middle. Don't forget that. It don't work otherwise on the Twitter.
Ask him how he feels about Napoli.
He's a
Napoli.
fucking faggot.
Napoli. We love him. He's local, but
Nope, we don't.
Dr. Ooh, look at
Oh, I'm gonna catch that
Juicy Ferrari just speeding.
I'm gonna
Let's
get
catch
the-
him.
I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna
We're
catch
gonna
it.
catch this all on cam.
I'm
Here we go.
gonna catch it. Oh my
Social.
God,
This is a
We're
social.
gonna go right in the back.
Sir, this is a social cam exclusive. Holy shit! Yeah, Ferrari. What do you got? Here we go. Ferrari's coming. Let's get next to him. Come on. Let's show him what's up.
Hope there's no dog behind us.
Yeah, probably. What's up, Ferrari? You ain't got shit in us, bitch.
Oh.
Here we go. We're riding. We're riding.
Hold on, we gotta go stealth mode for a second. Oh, we're back.
This message is brought to you by alcohol.
And Dale.
Rum 2-0. Rum 2-0. Rum 2-0.
This has been a Dale production.
Dale. This is what Dr. Uwa does every
Sponsored by
video.
fuckaferrari.com.
Ooh, fucking Ferrari.
And there we go. Going back off.
Oh,
No.
commercial break. Oh, wait, we're back. Go time. So, anyways, we're gonna bowl now. Maybe we'll get an at bat or two of. We'll get a video of our at bats or something.
Yeah.
You know, Dr. Uwa hitting it out or something.
Most likely Dr. Who.
Hey, we just beat a Ferrari in a Tahoe.
Yes, we did. Bitch ass. Get next one. I want to call him a bitch ass.
Oh no! Oh no!
There he is. There he goes. There he goes.
Ferrari is back.
Oh.
Look at him. Look at him.
Ah!
Dale. Hey, look. It says "suck on" in the tag.